Hello, my amazing English learners. Welcome back to day 15 of our series, Speak English Fluently in 15 Days. Daily English Shadowing Practice. Today's topic is Talk about your dreams and motivation. Are you ready to speak English with confidence? Yes? Great. In today's lesson, you'll learn how to talk about your dreams, your goals, and what keeps you motivated in simple, natural English. Remember, this video is for shadowing practice. That means you will listen, repeat, and speak with me. Repeat every sentence after me. Don't worry about mistakes. Just enjoy speaking English. Let's warm up together. Take a deep breath and smile. Okay, let's begin our warm-up practice. Now, let's learn some short and simple phrases you can use when talking about dreams and motivation. I'll say each phrase slowly. Then you repeat after me. Ready? Let's go. I have a dream. My dream is to be successful. I want to do something great in life. I want to make my family proud. I want to help others. I want to learn and grow every day. I believe in myself. I never give up. I am strong and positive. I can do it. Excellent job. You're already sounding more confident. These are short but powerful sentences you can use every day to stay motivated. Now that your mouth and mind are warmed up, we're ready for shadowing practice, where you'll repeat full sentences with me like a real conversation. Now, it's time for shadowing practice. You will hear natural English sentences about dreams and motivation. Listen carefully. Then, repeat after me with confidence and a smile. Let's begin. Everyone has a dream. My dream is to become a good English speaker. I want to speak English fluently and confidently. Learning English will help me achieve my goals. I study English every day to get better. I know it takes time, but I don't give up. I want to travel the world. I dream of visiting new countries and meeting new people. I want to learn about different cultures. My dream job is to be a teacher. I love helping others learn and grow. I feel happy when I make progress. Even small steps bring me closer to my dream. Sometimes it's hard, but I keep going. I believe I can do anything if I work hard. My motivation comes from my family and friends. They always support me and believe in me. I want to make them proud. Every day is a new chance to follow my dream. I am motivated to be the best version of myself. Great job, everyone. You're doing amazing. Remember, your dream doesn't have to be big. It just has to be yours. Repeat these sentences every day, and your confidence will grow faster and faster. Now, in the next part, we'll practice these same sentences again, but at a more natural, faster speed to help you sound like a fluent speaker. Take a deep breath, smile, and get ready for the next section, natural speed practice. All right, great work so far. Now it's time for natural speed practice. In this section, we'll say the same sentences again, but this time we'll speak a little faster and more naturally. Don't worry if you can't catch every word at first. Just listen carefully and try to follow my rhythm. Ready? Let's do this together. Everyone has a dream. My dream is to become a good English speaker. I want to speak English fluently and confidently. Learning English will help me achieve my goals. I study English every day to get better. I know it takes time, but I don't give up. I want to travel the world. I dream of visiting new countries and meeting new people. I want to learn about different cultures. My dream job is to be a teacher. I love helping others learn and grow. I feel happy when I make progress. Even small steps bring me closer to my dream. Sometimes it's hard, but I keep going. I believe I can do anything if I work hard. My motivation comes from my family and friends. They always support me and believe in me. I want to make them proud. Every day is a new chance to follow my dream. I am motivated to be the best version of myself. Amazing job. You're now speaking with better rhythm and more natural speed. That's exactly how fluent speakers practice. Remember, focus on rhythm. Use your voice with confidence. Don't be afraid of small mistakes. They are signs of learning. Now, let's take it one step further. Now, let's take a quick breath. And in the next part, we'll learn some useful vocabulary and pronunciation tips from today's lesson. You're doing amazing. Now, let's review some useful vocabulary from today's lesson. We'll practice pronunciation, learn meanings, and say some example sentences together. Repeat after me clearly, okay? Dream. Meaning, something you really want to do or achieve in life. Example. My dream is to travel the world. Motivation. Meaning, the reason or energy that helps you keep going. Example. My motivation comes from my family. Never give up. Meaning, don't stop trying, even when it's difficult. Example. I will never give up on my dream. Believe in yourself. Meaning, trust your own power and ability. Example. You can do it. Just believe in yourself. Success. Meaning, when you achieve something good or reach your goal. Example. Hard work brings success. Goal. Meaning, something you plan to do or achieve. Example. My goal is to speak English fluently. Make your dreams come true. Meaning, to achieve what you've always wanted. Example. You can make your dreams come true if you work hard. Fantastic. You've learned 7 powerful words and phrases today. Keep practicing them every day, and you'll sound more natural and confident each time. Now, let's wrap up today's practice with a motivational ending. Wow, you did it! Today, you learned how to talk about your dreams and motivation. You practiced slowly, naturally, and even with emotion. Let's take a moment to appreciate your progress. You spoke clearly, you shadowed confidently, and you stayed motivated till the end. You're doing something amazing. You're not just learning English, you're becoming a confident English speaker. Remember, don't stop here. Repeat this video every day for the next few days. Feel the rhythm of English, and every time, you'll sound more fluent and natural. Before we finish, here's a little quote for you. Dream big. Work hard, stay humble, and never give up. Keep believing in yourself because your English dream is already coming true. Today we completed our Speak English Fluently in 15 Days, Daily English Shadowing Practice series.